Welcome to our latest video demonstrating how you can manage your time, your clients, and your opportunities using the TheAX platform. The TheAX helps you collect and manage your client-related activities, but also keeps you on top of your agenda. We will now show you how to use it. We have added a new feature, timelines, to our main CRM entities, organizations, contacts, and opportunities. Let's review what it means through opportunities. Use the navigation item to open the list of opportunities and select one to open it. You can see the timeline section added here. The same was added to the contacts and organizations. When you click on it, you can see the history of the entity. In order to further explore it, let's go to the organization timeline now. We open the list of organizations. We open the one we want to work with and select the timeline section. This is the timeline view where all important events can be quickly reviewed to understand what happened to date with your client organization. You can see when the organization was created, when it was moved to a new status, but you can also log here important events like calls or meetings. This feature also gives you the opportunity to create and manage tasks related to the clients. In the next steps, we will demonstrate in details how easy it is. While the system will automatically log events like creation and status change, many events are created and managed by users such as calls, meetings, tasks, and notes. Let's first review notes. This is a way to mark something important so that later you or any other consultant can review and remember it. You click on the Add Notes button here, and it opens in a new window where you can give a title and the note itself. Once you've finished, clicking the Save button will add it to the timeline. The note is now visible for everyone having access to the system. In order to demonstrate the other activities, let's go to an opportunity of this client. We click on the Opportunities section and select the one we want to work with. We had a phone call with the client about the opportunity, and now we want to add the details to the system. After opening the timeline view, we select the Add the Call function to open an edit window, and then start entering the details. In this case, the call happened between me and Robert Streeter, the main contact for this opportunity, so I entered the date, the time, and the participants accordingly. I also added Teresa Thompson, a lady I did not know about, to the call and provided some descriptions. We also added AI to support you. You can upload a transcript of the call, and AI will then give you a summary and even offer you to take away tasks agreed on the call. You paste your transcript here and then trigger AI to do the job. As a result, AI provided me a summary of the call and also tasks to create. I just need to accept it, and they immediately appear on our timeline. If I go back to the organization, we will see that these activities were also added to the organization's timeline, giving us a coherent view of everything that happened to the organization to date. This ensures that our consultants will always be able to see all the activities happen with the organization, regardless if it happened specifically on an opportunity, with a contact, or on the organization itself. As I explained, the organization view also shows the new event and tasks. Let's see now how Add Meeting function works. It will be similar to how we added a call. In this example, we just had a meeting with the client, which is part of their AX30 onboarding. We use the Add Meeting function here, and then we can give the details of the meeting, date, time, participants, description, and we can also add the transcript, same as for the call. Once it is all set, we can save it and add it to the timeline. If we forgot to add anything or inputted something incorrectly, we can always come back and add more details opening the meeting from the timeline. Now let's see how we add tasks to the timeline using the Add Task function. We can create a task for ourselves as a reminder or for anyone else in the consultancy. Just give the details, start and end date, person the task is assigned to, description of the task, and then click the Create button to add it again to the timeline. One more thing to know: if you add an event and there you mark one of the contacts from the organization as participant, that event will automatically appear on their timelines so that you have a full understanding of where this person was involved. In this case, having a look at Rob's timeline, we can see that the AX30 meeting appeared there. Now that the events are added, we also wanted to provide a workbench so that a user can also understand what events they are involved and what are the next important tasks in the system for them. Let's click on the My Work navigation menu to see this new page. This page is your workbench where you can see everything that involves you in the system. You can see your due and overdue tasks here. You can see your future as well as the already completed tasks. And you can see the leads that were recently completed and need your attention. You can also directly access the opportunities and group assessments assigned to you. The My Work page is also accessible from your notification box, where a banner will warn you if you had overdue tasks. Now you know how to use the timeline and workbench features to manage your everyday activities about customer management. We hope you find the functions useful and they will help you to get the best out of the platform.